Hi, I am Prof and you're watching GHRCE NewsDesk episode number 108. Let's take a closer look at today's headlines from around the campus. Mr. Tejankit Bhongade received the Best Coach Award from the Department of Sports, Nagaland. STTP T-Searchers was concluded successfully at GHRCE, Nagpur. Ms. Alina Sabahat Raza, a 6M IoT student, won silver at the 7th National Kwankido Championships 2025-2026. A workshop on intellectual property rights, patent and design filing was successfully organized at GHRCE Nagpur. The 20th PhD colloquia was successfully conducted at GHRCE campus. Savitribai Phule Jayanti was celebrated to honor her legacy in education and social reform. A seminar on competing with global giants, strategy versus scale, was successfully organized. Uttarayan 2026, a cultural fest, was celebrated on 14 January 2026. A seminar on spiritual wisdom for modern life was conducted. And a one-day workshop on township layout was organized by the Civil Engineering Department. Now let's take a closer look at the news detail. Coming up first, Maharashtra continued its glorious run at the 69th SGFI National Taekwondo Championship, clinching the first place trophy with an outstanding performance. Mr. Tejankit Bhongade from the Department of Management Studies GHRCE Nagpur served as a coach appointed by the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Maharashtra. In recognition of his excellence, he was honored with the Best Coach Award by the Department of Sports, Nagaland. Moving up next, the Department of Physics, in collaboration with the AICTE-IDEA Lab and the Indian Association of Physics Teachers RC08 and SRC08E, organized STTP T-Searchers from 6th to 10th January 2026, with 24 participants from various cities across Maharashtra. The inaugural session on 6th January was graced by Dr. Surendra Golik from the National Academy of Defence Production, Ministry of Defence, Government of India, who spoke on bridging the gap between the education system so far and NEP expectations, highlighting alignment with a national education policy. This was followed on 7 January by a session from Dr. Praveen Ghusekar on bridging the gap between ancient Indian science and the science we teach today. On 8 January, Professor Manish Nair and Professor Priyanka Sharma led an engaging session on bridging the gap between the individual and personal group. On 9 January, Dr. Sirish Pathare spoke on bridging the gap between practicals and theory, emphasizing hands-on learning. And on 10th January, Dr. Bhavna Bhutte addressed bridging the gap between the school education system and degree programs. The STTP T-Searchers was concluded successfully, providing a platform for joyful learning, professional growth. The success of the event was made possible under the guidance of Principal Convener and Director Dr. Sachin Untwale, Organizing Chair and Deputy Director Dr. Santosh Jaju, Conveners Dr. Bhakti Rajvaidya and Dr. Rupali Thete, along with the entire Physics Department. Moving ahead, Ms. Alina Sabahat Raza, a 6M IoT student, secured second place in the under 55 kg women's category at the 7th National Kwankido Championship 2025-26, held from 16 to 18 January in Jammu and Kashmir. The championship was organized by the Kwankido Association of Jammu and Kashmir in association with the Kwankido Federation of India. Representing her state at the national level tournament, she competed against top athletes from across the country and displayed exceptional skill, determination and sportsmanship. Her achievement reflects consistent preparation, strong self-belief and ability to perform under pressure, making it a moment of pride and inspiration for aspiring martial artists. Moving ahead, a workshop on intellectual property rights, patent and design filing was successfully organized on 12th January 2026 by the Research and Development Cell in association with the Departments of Electrical Engineering and Civil Engineering under the Institute's Innovation Council and NIPAM initiative. The workshop was conducted by Dr. Bharat N. Suryavanshi, Assistant Controller of Patents and Design RGNIIPM Nagpur, who explained key concepts of intellectual property rights, patentability and patent design filing procedures, supported by practical examples. The principal convener of the event was Dr. Sachin Untwale, Director GHRCE. The event was convened by Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dr. Dinesh Padole, Dr. Prema Daigavane and Dr. Sanket Sangai. with Dr. Swapnil Khubarkar and Professor Pallavi Gadge serving as the coordinators. The workshop benefited 175 students and 10 faculty members from the electrical, civil and electronics engineering departments, and successfully enhanced awareness on intellectual property protection, encouraging participants to pursue patent filing for innovative ideas. Moving up next, the 20th PhD colloquia under the Electronics Engineering track was successfully conducted on 20th January 2026 in an hybrid mode. The colloquia was enriched by the expert guidance of Dr. Ram Vilas Panchori, Professor IIT Indore, and Dr. Prabhakar Khandet, Professor KDK College of Engineering, Nagpur, who provided valuable insights and constructive feedback to the research scholars. A total of 5 PhD students were scheduled to present their work. The event witnessed active participation from 12 attendees, including faculty members and students from UG, PG and other categories, contributing to healthy academic discussions. No PhD pre-submission seminars were held during this colloquia. Overall, the colloquia served a meaningful academic platform for research interaction and expert evaluation. Moving up next, the NSS cell in collaboration with the Women's Cell successfully celebrated Savitribai Phule Jayanti on 3rd January. The event was organized to honor the inspiring legacy of Savitribai Phule, India's first woman teacher and a pioneer of women's education. Moving up next, GHRCE Nagpur, in association with the GHRCE Skill Tech University, organized an insightful seminar titled Competing with Global Giants, Strategy vs. Scale. On Friday, 9 January 2026, the event saw active participation from students and faculty members. The seminar featured Dr. Dinesh Keskar, retired Senior Vice President, Boeing, as the chief guest. He was felicitated by Honorable Mr. Sunil Raisoni, Chairman Raisoni Education. Dr. Sachin Untwale, Director GHRC, welcomed the gathering and highlighted the importance of strategic thinking and global exposure. In his keynote address, Dr. Keskar shared valuable insights from his global industry experience, emphasizing strong engineering fundamentals, experience-based learning and cross-country growth. The session was moderated by Dr. Ashutosh Paturkar, Dean GHRCE Skill Tech University, Nagpur, and was enriched by the presence of Mr. Dilip Kamdar, entrepreneur from Nagpur. The seminar concluded with an engaging Q&A session, reinforcing Raisoni Group's commitment to blending academic excellence with real-world industry perspectives. Moving up next, GHRC celebrated Uttarayan with great enthusiasm on 14 January 2026, transforming the campus into a vibrant hub of festivities and togetherness. The celebration promoted cultural awareness and unity beyond academics, marking the auspicious transition of the sun into the northern hemisphere. The event began with a Haldi Kumkum ceremony where lady faculty members exchanged greetings reflecting warmth and respect for Indian traditions. This was followed by a kite flying on the terrace with enthusiastic participation from the faculty members. The cultural spirit was further enriched through singing and dancing performances by faculty and staff. A special skit highlighting the cultural significance of Uttarayan and Maharashtra received wide appreciation. The celebration concluded with a fashion show where faculty members showcased traditional Indian attire. Overall, the Uttarayan celebration was a grand success, strengthening interpersonal bonds and reinforcing cultural values on the campus. The event was coordinated by Dr. Kapil Jajurwar, Dean SAC, Dr. Prema Daigavane, HOD Electrical Engineering and Women's Cell in charge, along with all the departmental forum in charges. Moving up next, GHRC organized an insightful seminar on spiritual wisdom for modern life on 19 January 2026 with enthusiastic participation from students and faculty members. The keynote address was delivered by Swami Sri Krishnadas Brajdevi, an ex-chartered accountant and business professional, and a speaker at ICAI and DY Patil University. Drawing from his professional and life experiences, he shared valuable insights on building a successful and meaningful career. During the session, he emphasized challenges as opportunities for growth, the importance of concentration for efficiency and productivity, and confidence developed through preparation, practice, and learning from mistakes.
स्पैन जो है ना बहुत छोटा हो गया है कंसंट्रेशन का, लेकिन अगर इतने बच्चों में से एक बच्चा भी इसमें से एक बात अपनी जो सुनी है वो पकड़ ले और जीवन में उतार ले तो मेरा यहाँ आना सफल। Even those who protect you protect their heads. Please wear your helmets. क्यों? बोलो गणपति बाप्पा। इनको तो दूसरा रिप्लेसमेंट मिल गया था, इतने को नहीं मिलता, तो वो हमको आज बोल रहे हैं प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ, प्लीज वेयर योर हेलमेट।
He also highlighted creativity and effective time management as essential skills for personal and professional success. And lastly, the Department of Civil Engineering organized a one-day session on township layout conducted by Mr. Sudhanshu Kumar Singh, COE and founder of Civic Spark. The session was coordinated by Professor Pallavi Gadge under the guidance of Dr. Sanket Sangai, HOD Civil Engineering Department, and Principal Convener Dr. Sachin Untwale, Director GHRCE. Mr. Singh covered key aspects of township planning including plot layout, estimation, quantity surveying, road engineering and practical on-site execution, while also guiding students on career opportunities in civil engineering. The session concluded with a vote of thanks to the 6th semester civil engineering students and their class in charge Dr. Mangesh Ghorkar, marking it an informative and beneficial session. That is it for this NewsDesk episode. See you in the next one.